We are leaving Broken Hill today. For the past 2 nights, we have been staying at Oasis Hotel. Um, since we got the accommodation voucher from our New South Wales government, we used that, so we didn't have to pay for anything. This hotel is quite good. They have the washing machine and a dryer, which is free, but the washing machine is only cost $3, which is great. So I did a few laundry, and today we are leaving. Our plan is to drive all the way back to Yorke Peninsula in South Australia. This morning, when Justin trying to open the door, found here the door got stuck, and he managed to get the door open, and now we are all hitched up and ready to go, and we couldn't lock the door. And at the moment, Justin is behind me trying to do something to see if we can lock the door, because we cannot drive on a highway with the door unlocked. Anything can happen.
Its list will be on the inside somewhere.
Okay, so we have finally reached the South Australia quarantine station, and they do have a checkpoint, and they do have a quarantine control person. All of our food, which I bought the grape yesterday so that we can snack in the car, and I thought that we're gonna finish it while before we reaching the quarantine point, but unfortunately we only ate half of it. So that's one chuck. And then we have to they took our capsicum, apples, apples, and what else, watermelon, but we get to keep spring onion, lettuce, mint, like onions, potato, I'm not sure, but yeah, we get to keep some of that, and the rest is chuck. Lucky we didn't have many veggie and fruit in our caravan, because we know this gonna happen. But yeah, didn't expect it to lose the capsicum, because we bought it actually from South Australia as well, and we bought a whole lot, and then we didn't get to finish it. We only ate like once, but oh well, a lesson learned. And we couldn't lock the door, and Justin decided to take off the whole thing and use this to secure the door until we reach, I don't know, we find someone to fix our door, because today is Sunday, so everything is closed, and he just have to cut the wire open for the quarantine person to check, and now he have to lock it again. And he's so smart, he left the cutter inside the caravan. My meat, it looks so good and it smells so good. I think since I start using the Weber to flame grill this, it tastes super good. I think it will taste exceptionally good if this is charcoal instead, but oh well, Weber has done an excellent job as well. It's so cold and windy outside. So I decided to cook comfort food today. It's just carrots, potato, and bacon. They all dice up together and cook in a pot like a soup, and then eat with the pasta. So this will taste super good on a cold day, and our family love it. Well, I don't usually eat it, but the kids, they just love it so much. We decided to put on the yellow sticky tape around the light so that we don't attract so much Michi. It's actually work, and so that's why the color is looking funny right now. We are leaving this wild memorial camping ground tomorrow. We have been staying here for 2 nights. It's a very nice place. um
Very windy.
but it's very windy, and
there's no internet there.
what do you mean there is internet? The internet here is actually super good because we are right next to the Telstra I think satellite or tower. I can download movie, playing game, and watching YouTube at the same time. And we just came right in front of the beach, but then the water are super shallow. The tide is really low, and there's so many seaweed. It look really dirty. The kid doesn't like to go out there and play. We have a walk all the way to the water. Surprisingly, today is overcast and it's cold. However, the temperature of the water is quite warm, and they're like little tiny fish are everywhere on the puddles, and they look like baby flathead. Anyway, yeah, our girl did not like playing there, so they want to go back inside.
And there's rubbish in there.
I don't know what she's saying. Anyway, dinner almost ready. I'm gonna go and feed the girl now.
I can.
Oh, she like before. No. Evie, sup. Nah, she didn't do it.
She didn't do it.
She do it before. She was like, yeah. Sup?